Android 11 starts arriving for Samsung Galaxy S10 series with release of One UI 3. So far the update has hit the S10e and S10 5G in Switzerland. Samsung's hard at work in bringing One UI 3 to its smartphone lineup, sharing its schedule for updates last month. Based on Android 11, these releases include plenty of helpful new features, as well as a redesigned notification shade. Following distribution for some more recent handsets, it's finally time for the S10 to start getting its taste, as One UI 3 begins landing for the Galaxy S10e and S10 5G in Switzerland. While it's great to see this update arriving, users involved in the One UI 3 S10 beta test might want to take note. When the Note 20's update arrived, some beta users were left waiting up to a week before their fresh new OTA came through. There's a chance that may be the case again with the S10, in which case users may find some luck skipping the queue and trying to force an update with their PCs. If you have Samsung's Smart Switch PC app, you can try using it to install the latest firmware available for your phone. There's no guarantee it'll work, but if you're as impatient as I am, it's worth a try. So far, Samsung has done a good job rolling out Android 11 to its devices. It might be a little slower at times than we'd like, but the company has still beaten most of its competition to the punch, as well as improving on last year's Android 10 timetable. We'll be keeping this page updated as One UI 3 rolls out to more regions, as well as the regular S10 and S10 Plus.